Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we stepping on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods.
Hi guys, in this tutorial you will learn step by step how to edit like this. First I make a copy of my video and then from overlay section I take it to the second layer. Then I select my copied video and from remove background section and from custom removal I select all of the part of the subject except sunglasses. Then from text section you can add whatever you want. I type Neditarts. From font section you can select your desired font for your text, and you can also from style section choose the style for your text. Then I select the text and from layers section I put the text behind the copied video so that it seems the text is inside the sunglasses. I give a keyframe to the beginning of the text and keep the text out of the sunglasses frame. And I give a keyframe to the end of the text and remove the text from the other side of the sunglasses frame. And between the two keyframes I use ease out effect. In order for the text to move correctly in a straight line, I put some keyframes with each small movement of the text. From animation section, for the input of the text, I use this animation. Then I export my video and open it again into the CapCut. From effects section and video effects, I use fragment colon. And another video effect that I use is shake effect. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to share it with your friends.